So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
It's definitely another episode, another conversation, another beautiful encounter, another inspo. La Ekaya Beyond the Books podcast. You know, we deal with the young people, we deal with the freshest. And but I'm definitely having the best for you. I'm definitely cooking something for you. And I cook again if I cook under someone, maybe some of you near mad, maybe some of you are mad, but yeah, in the music industry, doing the most with the most. Udesichazela kabantu ukuthi ngibani wakabani qhamngaphi.
Ukhamba njani?
Hayi Christ.
Yebo fresh ingane. Awukhuluma naye okay, biological emzini bathi ngi-treat yabo. Ngoba nganinzisa. Musical be stage besho sibangibika ngasikanga yabo. So emzini kule industry bokushe. So ngadala ngidela nje into ukutekeleza but at the same time still ngiyapush music. Yeah. So dancing over the
It's already giving rapping vibes. Uyayiva ke nawe le atmosphere in the house. Ngathi already we are, screw we're rapping. But ke uthi bakwati ngaskanki.
Sure.
Lithi negama
Kahle Black Skunk,
Black Skunk.
I would like to two once in the look left because the Copalega is beer king. Then look left, kahle you check on some so very complexion now. I'm an African, the black means that.
Lo skunk kusho ukuthini but it's giving skunk. I'm scared right now.
I was like, okay, skunk kahle umuntu setsakubuka. Simusi nje yabo igama lifihlekile. Okay. I was named after maybe a character. I'm one of the person who's not often yabo make sure ukuthi ngiphoto. You understand? And one obstacle or my challenge lekhona noma ke abantu abamisanga yabo labo gogo labo design ngithanda ngeke bangivule. So ithi lento yabo skanga yabo. So most of check kana problema can reserve. Kule lions and everything yabo. But then if they discover flex so and I say there this is that one thing with us which is the snake yabo. So noma lions are those who are so me with the pesci and the content I have yabo. I'm more like this clan yabo. So the pot lunai finalist man. So when we get flavor so
no, it's going down. It's definitely going down. We are developed now. It's more like faith over faith, top of another faith. Ikanjalo ke lempo yasanklana ekhatheni njini uthi nakafuna impo umake sure ukuthi uyayigowa uyayigetha yamthola. But yeah, we are definitely here because we want me, myself, and the listeners and the viewers at home, we want to know you at a deeper level. Because we know, okay, we might know you are at the University of Eswatini, but we want to know what are you really doing after school? What are you really doing outside of the books, outside of the library? You understand? Ubizngani, me. Sifuna kwathi ukuthi yini le kweta ukuthi bamfuna bamanti bathi ukuthi kuna skunk out there. Yes.
Okay, lo yena ngisho ukuthi fine. Okay, ngiphuma nemclassini kogeleza. Ngiyalungu ngilotha okay because I think ikhona i-bedroom studio yabo but pins at the same time khona studios siye kusho yebo. So most of the time yabo the level fans on imagine that small later hamba everything yabo. It's not really ukuthi ngivona uzimile kusipande school yabo because something we turns out something to keep up busy. But then at the same time yebo vele the kufuna ukuthi igcine kuyibusiness. So most of the time kuhuma khona ukuthi yabo uma ngabe inspiration noma somebody ushaya beat then get jump on the beat then depending on what you have to feel kanjani. At the same time now ukuthi issues yabo siyashaya no issues about and everything because most of the musicians not music video like it so kind of like value that's why you don't really kind of help with anything and I might say house to call the piano to some chica trade the end of the day I'll take to them what these souls if you cheat never said that
why 7? You are raising both junior skunk wenzani 7 nivo ngathi baningi. Why you exaggerate? Nivo ngathi baningi. No, uvela ufuna kushiya le industry ukuthi batayirana. Oh, okay. Okay, but do you write your songs? Who writes your songs? Who supports your music journey? Who is there for the videos, the promos? Okay, who's there, Jay? Who's your backup plan? We would say, you know what, I can definitely go to this person. Now what they would say, I'll record and I'll shoot and music video, everything, info into even this role.
Yeah, I don't wanna lie and say I'm an artist now because so tata yung credit to be like you know, truth is inspiration maybe most of the time it comes from then but then must clearly and when you are forward there's this guy called Devil called remember thing chipping. You can't see but my line la pabo says here books are says here then we come up like with the best song, I understand. In terms of videos so far, I think students package a best shoots and then you video first song maybe let's start keep maybe for next week Wednesday. So we're using Mila the Luda films is one of the best DJ that shoots and my videos ever. So yeah, I do have people that are singing about chair. Yeah.
But etinye mbuto lo le ngibangathi umbukeli wami lapha my valued listener anganishaya nangithi ngakubhuda kona ukuthi what inspires you to be a singer? Like what really inspires you? Because maybe ngibangathi you're at the university, it's not like vele uma like salami leli as in like it's my bread, the bread of my children and everything. Yini lele ku
I think I'm saying about music even when I'm since way pay come on say because the time la papena lo ma cassette lo la papena la moto impacting na mo prenda fast la pamoso comes ya fa oh sing bang do la pena la music ishela mara lyrics about echo and put up excel so I fell in love with the music about then man cool I think I was in Form 1 even I was like okay let me write something about then I started writing and that's when I'm about okay maybe if I can doesn't my steps in and when ones to maybe if possible to be career or something nine and now and then I think to inspire shout to party music was one by general bone and about okay yeah okay go one I would say he's still there as one of inspiration yam jibang who the legs of Botori now looks around but those type of people you will have bang down but la kaya coco as legend some poloch Hi, so as my child was okay. I want to face out and chatting with you so yeah, it's really inspiration from other people.
Oh, so you look up to other people.
Yeah, got to.
So what's your craft? Like what's your craft? What's already there? Nangithi nje mina you know what ngifuna la ga Beyond the Books podcast ngifuna nje ukuthi la kuqaleni ku intro yami ngingene ngeline lasikanga noma ngidlala music kwakhe la kuqaleni.
Okay.
I-craft yakho ngiyiphi ithini kuphi ngiyithola kuphi?
Ngale
And futhi your latest hit nayo usitshele ukuthi yabo.
Okay, mina lost my god abo. We try to keep off. But then because I did good maybe Caesar is infusing yana with Afro, you understand?
Yeah.
Then kubela mkhathini, so they changes national ukuthi maybe it's Afro pop so far, yabo. So ngiyimele isikhathi ukuthi siba busy ngayo at the same time, yabo sikhona na the same Swati, yabo for people who siba related to yabo because ivele the support gotta start from lakhaya. So yabo angifuni ukuthi ize imjump emakhazana ngaliba relate and we social media yabo. So timbe cishe kube kanjalo nje so far nje vele sisipana bethu kuye kanjalo. Yeah.
So ngiyakubona le ngane ngelanga nana ngibona ayikuthi ngibona bamfu they are sharing another it was a paragraph ni.
Yeah.
And then ngicela ngikumbute namagama ngokhohliwe namagama ale paragraph.
Amagama lawa ngisawukhumbula because they were from my heart. Bunga nini lady yana ngiso most story show.
Yebo ngiso ne story ngisho. Was that a marketing strategy or
okay at the same
it was
time
something serious?
It was something serious, but then it did work as a marketing strategy. Was a gas benefit from anyway because we end up like was okay because she's a model for something like why not is an span because I think straight no the tube so span so what the span that week.
Kahasha vele when you are a go-getter. Because who does that? Who goes to a platform and write and tell the world how much they love Spesihle.
Yabo, anti abantu already.
Yes.
Ngilaba bo. Emotional woman. Every day. Yabo.
I hope you get that. Ne?
Asa uzijabona mshite kazi kwa unfortunate nyana. Nyatkela masina ukuthi njalo wazi. Bambara ukuthi ubamba la so shobele na so shobele na ukuthi chef for him.
Ngeke, I just wanted to know ukuthi was it a marketing strategy noma umfobe serious. But ngoba sesiyabona ukuthi ne-seriousness bekhona. Also maybe with your musical journey and everything, you can highlight to us ukuthi what should we expect, and maybe before that we would want to know ukuthi actually you're doing this outside of school, on your free time and everything, but we want to know ukuthi akuhambi yini bese kungenelela emkhathini wakho with your books, and because more or less you are here for a degree, and this is a side hustle, if I may say. So akuhambi bese maybe we expose who can, I don't know what to say, but maybe we are endleleni yakho yesikole kwenza ukuthi sekukhona ke urechinja shijile because you are focused on the other aspect.
That's one question. That's also the first one.
But kunenza mathubekana nale.
Truly speaking, I can say kancane indirectly it affects, I understand. Because vele ukhanze ukuthi you are supposed to study. Just because ufuna kuba umuntu ibethembekile imali nje session there is a person maybe session engongafuni story sakho sekuthi wena uyafuthi yabo kahle kamele ukuthi sabinifakela sona yabo mangabe nje session okay mbo 18 asiphala ngayibeka nasiphala asuke lecture maybe 2 days before then, because then maybe not that I success to go get question. So I need to make sure to still up and we was spa. And then I don't tell any to also call them to maybe. So come check I think on the book. So we haven't been set up on a thing fail. I won't for fade out.
So how going forward, and for another person who might want to dive into music world, but they're still in school, they should start as early as possible. But then maybe my fears about say issue need, my focus is over poor and I will no let level. So maybe when I index 7 daily, as what nyabanya
go for.
Figure kanjani ngayi-4 okay siyawuvula sho ukuthi fail code
yes ngakho
how do you balance between the two? That's the question.
That's right. A person yakho ibungazi ukuthi uthona senze ngamtshela kuthini bese awufuna ukutshona
Yes,
mina ngamtshela bona mina ukuthi as much as we love music, and we so much good one day. We turn up into it for a year, like you feed your own family, you understand. But then eating involved. I'm going to watch out the only for the bus fit out. So it's not only cool moments to them. They're my classy, or skill petting for la panala, just because we was not only without music. So we never always in answer. That's all. I focus it. Then after quality, there's still losers. And if this thing was meant for you, they had it too. And that's the most of I said, in terms of allowances, like this thing of scholarship, you understand? But it's a lot affected. Can you basically give equals an answer for you, 160, 200? So basically, I feel to take, but it shows you that there was nature that takes place while there was spacing on naked. So now say, in school first, then the music to identity, and of course, we also need to be realistic. I'm not saying people should we are in a country like native for it. In terms of letting on the teacher philosophy. So
economy.
Yeah, even the entertainment is not that much pay, just like in some other countries. So you need to be realistic. Because the scale and maybe say about to the clear. And for two number column also put say talent allow at the same time to teach.
Yeah.
Because we need to so vela panala, so if an opportunity so banana so to push a
I think you are touching on a very important thing. We could say ungabe side locally talent lakho, especially because when it has to do with developable digital platforms and everything. I'm remembering ukuthi Prime Minister, I mean, Sengithi Prime Minister waka-ICT nakangwane bekakhuluma yona indaba to monetize content creation and everything. I feel like as people who are in the industry, that is a time whereby you guys are going to shine.
Yeah.
Because one view for you, it's something big. It's something that can count. Because you can put food on the table and everything. But maybe Zikumege Global. There's this hit Loai release Libusa Salami. What was the inspo behind it? What inspired you to write about that? And we have been noticing we're going to give you like so crazy over everything in the Saga and one I think so Libusa Salami. What was the inspiration behind that song?
Yeah, like I'm amazing. Like we like I see you know okay. So I got two sisters then there's any way it. So I would think I go to them home they would see sometimes. And as much as I don't do I should call quite a lot you get to a point where like you call your mother saying my all time. And already singing my Tony's are. And right now I feel like none of them paying something. Than me myself on the lives. I'll see the other time there going if now I think my people to some places is very more you thoughts. And even cool putting and things like that because I know who's Uspana Raja. If you want to say I say 2 late 3 because time of pay comes name the spine and spine I wrote the better. So when I was writing that song I was looking at the situation Gypsy wishing which okay when SARS I think we'll create about not only for me for my sisters too because you find out like from Conan and it's in a it's a way to oversee like a lot of things those time all I feel that I wish post my sister on you now and I still in high school. If maybe not play and look great and go I won't go outside houses and don't get anything. I wish put lady. I'm a friend not because even by Cochrane, but just because I'm going to play. I'm a corner with all friends again and I'm calling and I'm it's not the only man came out and some out. In fact, there were those type of things. So yeah, my feet was okay, already mentioning and move your chance. So I will be asking.
Never boy.
Yeah.
So I'm definitely getting something new from you. We will see sometimes music is not about you having a talent that you can sing anything. Yeah. Sometimes it's a reflection of your way of life. Sometimes it's a reflection of your childhood. Sometimes it's a reflection of the things that you wish for. Yeah. It is basically a message. And that is something very powerful that I've get. I think another aspect that I may maybe look into will be to say what sustains your music, what sustains your journey. Yini dinto lo ongathi diyakhona ukusustain nje music industry wakho. Like when I can try to unpack the question for you, we will say how do you ensure or rather make sure the crafts that you're busy with in a way it doesn't drain your pockets but rather it maybe fills your pocket.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so far the only way just like Boshi the TJ list of ICT I'm going to answer about the task. So far I must upload the demo. I would this kind of follow my main from the only way to take mine is maybe we can go see any child emotions, or maybe get some potentials. Because at the end of the day, you go to a student you call. I know it was a father and make it so the music not normally looking but from a small feeling about maybe get those proteins. When you get those proteins, the same mind you throw up proteins, the same mind that looking at the title year studio, you 77 the album using videos or shooting. So that's the only way you're going to sustain our music or to call it push and connect. Otherwise, yeah, well, it's not easy because truth is, continuous maybe balance about from South Africa, we have nothing wrong with that. because vele bo-organizers and they one person really gama to say noma ngibuka from la ngeside lakhe lo-organize so but then at the same time nazi singajabula ukuthi kusema mabasibuyita wasingida ama-ice perform the arts feministike kaya transport fee those type of things yabo le timbona to khona music to khona sustain.
Because have you ever experienced exploitation in the industry whereby you see that this person's exploiting my talent, is exploiting me? Ah, no, don't you tell that.
Show penny, show penny le ngamo 3 and by September. Ngekena sikwendakala. Awukonde cast awukho musipho tebubhiza bombusiso but again, it's easy boys like Stone 5 show but you need to come with like 20 people, basically 2 if you done. So we sold those tickets, let's get the basket and the room yard. Just that you most. Put yours video to touching down when there was a work class but you already do the hard. As a feel then pay joke for pepom in Mabasa Sky. Mabasa Sky no busy. They want to kill out this cheek. It's not need support, it's just what opens the cheeks, the pins of us back. And who to move? Let me was my first time or second time in here, but I was not sure because they didn't like cousin send someone's even book here. So we have to slow. Now this was kind of late.
I think people like exploiting local artists because you wouldn't do this thing with Casper in your face because he's from South Africa and I'm here and like you're used to me and you feel like also exploit me.
But
that's when we platform.
Must not shy about Chiramtuki. We don't need allow them perform those type of things. Very
Flavors. Oh, what a hard time to be a local artist. Oh, but I believe we'll go to you guys, like near corner, you maneuver, you move with the times and you are able to stand up for yourselves and everything, to own your craft and everything.
I think it's a change of cool, but never suspect because quando se sia con research and those type of things, when comes to things with the non-publishment, the thing go in terms of things with the performer, it's a fun, because it's like, Bob, I'm not excited, it's okay. I'm getting internet show, we're more excited. Once I don't really think there's a play, and that's when I want more something.
Oh my goodness, man, people, I hope you get to understand and you get to hear and you get to see there is definitely life outside of the library. There's definitely life outside school. After school, there's life after school. You definitely have to have that one thing that you will focus on. You have to have a living outside of that. You have to create a living outside of that. There's a bread that you have to create outside of that. So with this beautiful conversation that I'm having here, I hope Let's Kona we are inspired as people who are looking up to be artists. You know what? I'm definitely gonna do that. I'm definitely gonna move out of my comfort zone. Yeah, we are about to go and we're about to wrap up. Before we leave to a young person who is eager to follow on the footsteps of people who are in the music industry, hip-hop industry. What can we say? I'm still at school and the means are not there yet, but I do definitely want to do this. Where can I knock?
Okay, but share Jamie 4 P's. The 4 P's means prayer, patience, persistence, and perseverance. I'm not talking about prayer, we're talking about what's the issue. Always like young people of Nabu Chu, would you get a winter? I'm on the guessing of people like and you know, the passing is far less on the time from my lap now. Good Friday. No points. Then patience. About patience, like, see a chance. Good still will deliver fast. You just need to wait for it. When the time is right, or some of you didn't tell when the winter go.
The time is right, I the Lord will make it.
Yeah. And persistent, you know, like, as much as you are still patient, keep on knocking on the doors. I don't know what you are, but then if maybe it's not and then for music, keep on knocking. If maybe you've made a song, could you be persistent, keep on making a lot of song. If this one I will hit out, keep on doing about perseverance. No matter what ganja, fail and then God, forgetting a cut. That's what I can say.
We definitely get that perseverance. Nothing much, nothing, no consistency lies in your hand or on your hands. Yimvo yakho lena, it's a decision that you have to take on your own. Usho njalo ke umfoka skank la endlini the podcast. Now we are definitely wrapping up. Maybe you can say your goodbyes. When njalo ke yenta njalo ke mic yakhe seyamlosha nalamzini.
Yeah, you can say it's been.
Yeah, you can say your goodbyes.
No, okay, my favorite. Even now, and thank you for the good sitting hosting. Okay, platform will see the about tonight. You know. That's all what you saying.
Yeah.
Would you not know the Kaya? I mean, I'm gonna go to check my platforms everywhere. Started searching by music video. The Rula and GP and Kosho. So yeah, your friend. Yeah.
I get that was him signing out and I think it's a 6-year and channel wherever you are. Thank you. You are going to like, you're going to share, you're going to subscribe. It's definitely Beyond the Books podcast here. It's your favorite studio. Ciao.
Pasha.